What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix common printing issues on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, open up your control panel by searching for it in the Start menu. On this window, select Hardware and Sound, and then Devices and Printers. In the Settings window, navigate to Printers and Scanners. Click Troubleshoot. This will take a moment to diagnose and attempt to fix common printing and scanning issues on your Windows PC. If you have issues with one of your printing devices, then select to open its settings. Run the dedicated Troubleshooter, and it will attempt to fix your issues with the selected printer. In case this method doesn't work for you, then you can use the Windows Services Manager to resolve printing issues. In your Start menu search, type Services and hit Enter. On this window, click anywhere inside the list to activate the pane, and use the P key on your keyboard to instantly pinpoint to services starting with the letter P. Find and locate Print Spooler. Right-click this service and select to stop it. When this is done, right-click it again and start the service again. This will restart the Print Spooler service on your PC. As a next troubleshooting step, make sure to open the File Explorer. From here, navigate to the drive on which you installed Windows, and navigate to Windows, System32, Spool, and then Printers. From here, delete all the files in this folder. This will, in a lot of cases, fix printer-related problems on your Windows PC. You might be required to restart your PC to apply all of the changes and restart all Windows processes. In case there are no files in this folder, don't worry. This means that the printer-related problem is not related to these files. Lastly, make use of your Device Manager to resolve your printer issues. Open up your Device Manager by searching for it. On this window, locate Print Queues and expand it to find the list of your available printers. Now, right-click your malfunctioning printer to open up a drop-down menu and select Update Driver. Select to search automatically for driver software, which will take a couple of seconds to make sure your printer driver is up to date. Make sure all cables are properly connected to your printer, or that it's connected to your Wi-Fi to make sure it works properly. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.